So you have GitHub Copilot installed in VS Code, but maybe those inline suggestions are getting a little distracting. Or honestly, you just want to turn them off for certain projects without fully uninstalling the extension. Good news, this is super easy to do, and I will show you a couple different ways to handle it. If this helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. Alright, so the fastest way to do this is right from the status bar. Look at the bottom right of your VS Code window. You should see a small Copilot icon down there. Just click on it. From here, you can choose to disable suggestions globally, or just for the specific language you are working in. Now, if you want a more permanent solution, or you just like doing things through settings, here's how to do that. Click on that Copilot icon in the bottom right of your VS Code window again, and click on the gear icon. From here, click on the second column in row 1 and change the value from true to false. And that is it. Suggestions are disabled across all files. Here's the thing though. Maybe you only want to disable Copilot for certain file types. You can actually do that too. In that same table you just edited, you will also see languages underneath. You can toggle Copilot off for specific languages while keeping it on for others. Super handy if you want suggestions in Python but not in Markdown. I'll leave a link in the description for the language identifiers. Here's a quick example to see the suggestions toggle in action. I currently have them enabled for all languages, and you can see it's doing the auto suggestions for me. Now, I'll click on the Copilot icon and disable them for only Python files. You can see that the auto suggestions is not working anymore. Another example, let's say I have suggestions enabled on all files and I'm in a TypeScript file. Let's click the Copilot icon and uncheck all files and go back to the Python file. Auto suggestions is now disabled for the rest of the files, but kept Python enabled because it's manually set in the settings, if that makes sense. And that is all there is to it. Now you have full control over when Copilot jumps in with suggestions. Hopefully that saved you some time. Thanks for watching.